smells like, my hair smells like rice right now. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and rinsed out the rice water out of my hair. I know it kind of like looks like no different, but I have like literally no products in my hair right now. I just rinsed that out, so I don't even have the rice water in my hair right now. And I just think it's really cool and really easy the way that they have this DIY kit set up. Like literally it comes with the packets. All you have to do is add the rice, and that's pretty much it. So it's really easy, not messy at all, and you can refrigerate this, you know, up to 3 days. So if you want to do it more than once a week, you're more than welcome to, and it lasts for 3 days. So if you want to do it just, you know, for those 3 days, throw it out, the next week do it another 3 days, you can do that as well. There is 10 packets in here. I am really interested in seeing how, you know, it's really good for hair growth. I always feel like my hair has been like the same for like forever. Whenever I have to wash and go, like I don't see no difference. I'm just like, my hair is just always been the same size, whatever. But I do kind of see it getting a little bit thicker. I don't know if you guys see that, but I do see that. So I'm definitely interested in trying this out. The DIY kit is really affordable and it's really easy to use. So if you are interested in doing the rice water treatment, I definitely would try out the Beauté Seoul's DIY kit. And like